Radiant heating is one of the most popular upgrades chosen by homeowners, but is it right for you? Today we're going to talk through the basics of radiant heating and why so many homeowners choose it to upgrade to add a little element of luxury to their homes. But first, what is radiant heating? In the residential setting, radiant heating refers to radiant heating systems being installed in your home during renovation. These radiant systems are typically installed underneath floors, behind walls, sometimes even in ceilings. Radiant heating has been around since 1907, originally these large panels that were installed into your homes. But today, radiant heating technology has become an energy-efficient, cost-effective option for those looking for a solution other than traditional forced air systems to heat their home. Electric radiant is currently the go-to for floor heating. These systems generate heat through custom-designed plastic netting rolls woven with small electric coils. Electric systems are installed directly onto the subfloor and then troweled over with a tile setting material. Though we mainly see this type of floor heating in kitchens and bathrooms, it can be used in virtually any room. These systems are the least invasive and more user-friendly to operate than the other systems. So for smaller areas of your home, electric radiant heating may be your best option. Hydronic radiant systems use a boiler to pump heated water through a network of piping throughout the home. When installing these systems, flexible tubing is installed throughout the floors, walls, or ceiling of the home. If you're looking to heat your entire home with radiant heating, getting a hydronic radiant system installed might be the right one for you, as it's really cost effective, it's definitely energy efficient, as it's recirculating water throughout your home to heat your home. The downside? Having a network of tubes installed throughout your home is a lot more invasive than an electric coil system, and it requires a licensed professional to make sure the installation is done right. Now, where can radiant heating go in my home? Well, it can be used virtually anywhere inside and outside of your home because it can be installed in tile, wood, carpet, and concrete. The most popular spaces we see our homeowners utilizing radiant heat are bathrooms, basements, and exterior walkways and driveways. And for an extra element of luxury, consider a heated shower bench or a towel warmer or a mirror defogging system. What are the benefits of radiant heating? Number one, energy efficiency. Because radiant heating directly heats an object instead of relying on air movement like our traditional forced air systems, rooms heat much more efficiently. Number two, allergy reduction. As many of us with allergies know, traditional HVAC systems spread dust from air ducts that can wreak havoc on those with allergies. Radiant heating can reduce the need for these forced air systems. It's important to know though, just because radiant systems lessen the allergens in your home, it doesn't mean it purifies the air, so I always recommend getting an air purifier as well. Number three, even heating. Forced air heating often leaves areas of your home colder, so you have these little cold pockets. In contrast, radiant heating warms a whole room evenly, so the ambient temperature is going to be the same throughout your whole home. Number four, longevity. Radiant heating floor systems are incredibly durable and when installed correctly, require almost no maintenance. Because of the longevity of radiant heating, many of the manufacturers have warranty guarantees that last decades. 5, cost effective. Radiant heating systems can cost anywhere between $6 and $24 per square foot, depending on what system you're using and where it's being installed. In general, installing electric radiant heating is going to be more cost effective and energy efficient than hydronic systems. But operating costs for hydronic systems are cheaper than electric. So while electric radiant heating is cheaper to install, daily operation is going to cost a bit more. One way you can help mitigate that is by getting a programmable thermostat for your electric radiant floors. So if you're thinking of remodeling, don't skimp on the radiant heating. Give it a try, ask a professional, and make sure you're getting it installed correctly. It's absolutely an option many homeowners are using and do not regret.